Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Gaia Project. This intricate board game challenges 2 to 4 players to expand their empires across a modular galaxy. You'll manage 4 crucial resources: credits, ore, knowledge, and Q, while developing 7 distinct planet types. The game unfolds over 6 strategic rounds, each presenting new opportunities and challenges. Your goal is to strategically colonize planets, advance technology, and ultimately score the most victory points to claim galactic dominance. During your turn, you'll perform one main action, choosing from several options. These include building various structures like mines, trading posts, and research labs, or advancing along one of 6 research tracks. Each action helps you gain vital resources such as ore for building, knowledge for research, and credits for income. Don't forget the power cycle, which is essential for generating and spending power to activate powerful special abilities throughout the game. Expanding your empire is central to Gaia Project. You'll terraform planets to match your faction's specific homeworld type, allowing you to build structures. Additionally, you can Gaiaform barren planets into Gaia planets, making them colonizable by any faction. This process often requires spending Q, a unique resource. Mastering the conversion of various planetary types, from desert to tundra to oceanic, is key to establishing a vast and powerful galactic presence. Victory in Gaia Project is determined by accumulating the most victory points. You'll score points throughout the game for various achievements, such as building structures and advancing on research tracks. At the end of the game, significant points are awarded for having the largest connected empire and for your progress on the 6 research tracks. Every decision, from planet colonization to technology advancement, contributes to your final score, so plan carefully to secure your win.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.